picture to share with you all. Okay, no games today. It's a sub changa si photo from the White House. Happy President's Day! Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Global politics is officially a joke. Last week, the US and Iran were ready to turn the world into a barbecue. And today, they are sitting in Geneva sharing coffee and discussing deals. मतलब ये तो वही बात हो गई कि सुबह इंडिया पाकिस्तान के बीच बॉर्डर पर फायरिंग हो रही है और शाम को खबर आ रही है कि हम उन्हें बासमती राइस एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. It's not a peace treaty, it's a script from a bad Bollywood movie where the hero and villain suddenly become Jai Veeru because the producer ran out of the budget.
क्या बात है सर?
And Iran is literally putting energy, mining and aircraft deals on the table. मतलब कल तक न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब की धमकी दे रहे थे और आज ट्रम्प को बिजनेस पार्टनर बनाने के लिए बेताब हुए जा रहे हो. It's like a guy tries to burn your house down on Monday and on Tuesday he shows up with a brochure of a new modular kitchen. No hard feelings bro, mining में invest करोगे? And look at the timing. Iran's revolutionary guards are literally doing military drills at the Strait of Hormuz right now. एक हाथ में डील का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है और दूसरे हाथ में मिसाइल का रिमोट. छूम. It's like a guy punching you in the face and then asking, bro, muscles अच्छी लग रही है ना मेरी?
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
America is that rich brat who blocks you, calls you a state sponsor of terrorism, and then slides into your DMs at 2 a.m. saying, hey, you up? Need some oil and nuclear promise?
कितने talented हैं आप?
And of course, we have the undisputed champion of everything, Donald Trump.
They should have made a deal the first time, and they got Midnight Hammer instead. And this will be very traumatic for Iran if they don't make a deal. Look, if they don't make a deal, then it'll be a different story.
Trump's foreign policy is basically like a Tinder profile. One day he's threatening maximum pressure, and the next day he's saying, I have a great relationship with Iran. They are beautiful people. We are going to make a tremendous deal.
We have a situation right now where we sent a very big carrier group to Iran. I'd love to see if we could make a deal. They've been difficult to make a deal. I thought we would have had a deal last time. They wish they did. And that's where we did Midnight Hammer.
Trump uncle का तो level ही अलग है. He probably walked into the Geneva meeting and said, listen, Iran, I'll give you my precious FIFA piece award if you stop making the big bombs, okay? It's a beautiful trophy. Undisputed. Iran is sitting like there, wait, we just threatened to shut down the world's oil supply. And you're offering us a trophy?
But typically, Iran's a very tough negotiator. They're good negotiators. Or bad negotiators. I would say they're bad negotiators.
You know how the US and Iran look from the outside now? Show the world that you hate each other, but secret में deal set कर लो. America spends billions on defense, but as soon as the economy hits a bump, they're like, okay, maybe Iran isn't that bad. Let's talk about mining and energy. Honestly, watching them sit together is like watching a divorced couple at their kid's wedding. They hate each other's guts, but they both want a piece of the cake.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Moral of the story. इंटरनेशनल पॉलिटिक्स में कोई परमानेंट दुश्मन नहीं होता, सिर्फ परमानेंट बिजनेस होता है. इफ द प्राइस इज राइट, ट्रम्प वुड इवन ट्राई टू सेल अ मेक अमेरिका ग्रेट अगेन हैट टू द सुप्रीम लीडर ऑफ ईरान, बट he'll not take that. Leave them, guys. They are confused. China, the land of fast trains, fancy solar panels, and whatnot. You would think they have it all figured out, right? But no. China has problems with India. Inferiority complex तो आ ही जाता है. We are number 1 in population index and they are number 2. Flex, flex, flex. So birth rates are falling. People aren't having babies. And the government's brilliant plan. They made condoms and birth control pills more expensive.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
मतलब सरकार का लॉजिक देख रहे हो. दे थिंक इफ अ कॉन्डम कॉस्ट $5 मोर, समवन इज गोइंग टू से अच्छा ये महंगा है, चलो फिर 20 साल तक बच्चे की स्कूल फीस भर देते हैं और शायद वो सस्ता पड़ जाएगा. नहीं. And who is this targeting? Someone is in the mood, checks their wallet and goes, oh no, budget के बाहर है. I guess I'll just have a baby today to save $10. भाई ये सेविंग स्कीम है या सजा? Okay, sorry, but you know what else they are getting? Lonelier. There is a new app in China, and I'm not joking. It's called Are You Dead? It's the #1 paid app right now. मतलब लोग जिंदा रहने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन दे रहे हैं. The app has one big green button. You have to hit it once a day to prove you're still breathing. If you miss it 2 days in a row, it calls your emergency contact.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर.
Wait, it's a paid app. So if my credit card expires, does the app just assume I'm dead? Sorry, payment failed. Calling the ambulance anyway. And imagine the ads. I have to watch a 30-second skippable ad for a Burger King discount before I can find out if my grandfather is still with us. Is Dada okay? Wait, let me finish this level of Candy Crush first. It's so impersonal. हमें ये ऐप नहीं चाहिए. हमारी इंडियन माएँ काफ़ी हैं. I don't need a green button. If I don't pick up my mom's call for like 10 minutes, she already assumes I'm dead, or kidnapped, or ran away with someone, or maybe all at the same time.
What the hell, you?
Thankfully, I'm married now. ये बहुत smell आ रही है बाजू वाले घर से. Let me just check the neighbor's status on the app. Oh, look, he is still green. शायद बस नहाया नहीं है कई महीने से. Sorry China, but that is so not our problem. We have moms, you pay for the app. All right, enough of drama. Time for some real chaos from the world. Israel approves proposal to register West Bank lands as state property. Pakistan former PM Imran Khan has allegedly lost 85% vision in jail. US-Iran holds high-stakes nuclear talks in Geneva. Indonesia readies 1,000 soldiers for potential deployment of Gaza in April. BNP's Tariq Rahman takes oath as Bangladesh PM on Feb 17. That was my time, guys. How did you like the show? Comment down. If you liked the video, hit the bell icon. We'll meet you Monday to Friday, same time with International Spices. That's international.